across the room. Katie's dressed in full blue, yellows and blues, but I prefer kick drums and red wine. 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 Some people fight it with devotion, some with gold and some with bourbon. Some like praying to the blue skies, some like putting on a disguise. But I prefer kick drums and red wine. 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 Drums and red wine. I prefer kick drums and red wine. I prefer kick drums and red wine. I prefer kick drums and red wine. tin top bomb, and now we're so happy with 28 years of free falling. Oh, but now it's all guts and I'm balling. And she was
Ladies.
tenement, walk up with shit for nerves. You know she never learned to talk to adults. She said everything's easier in here.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hi. How are we? How is everything? How is the Oh wait, it's not Saturday. How is the sun? I even said Sunday literally like 5 seconds ago. But whatever. We're here. We're queer. We're pretty used to it. Hiya, pup. Congrats on getting here first.
Ladies.
It's a disaster. It's a travesty. I don't have any water. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Unicorn. Unicorn, yup, pup stole my first as I was hitting the button. Oh, I love it. I mean, I don't love that for you, but like in general, that's so exciting. It makes it so nail biting. Who's gonna get it? Hi, Unicorn. How is your Sunday? How are you doing? How are you doing, yup, pup? Hold. Pause. Freeze for 1 second. I'm gonna go grab water. Just a daily battle. Exactly. We love the competition here, okay?
Like the dancer with bruises who gathers the cash when the music is through. No, she don't look back. I've come to look for America too. Then we stole the car on the 4th of July. I pawned my guitar and we drove through the night. I've come to look for America.
Okay, I'm back. I got my water. Everything's good. Crisis averted. Oh, but Mr. Light is here. Apparently not. Never mind. There he is. There we go. All's right. Does anyone feel like taking a drink like resets your breathing? If you're like breathing too fast, you take a sip of water and you're like, there we go. Now I have control again. There, the baby is here.
And sis, that's tea.
Hell yeah. There he is. He's been such a good boy. I should have made my stream title alert, alert, dog gets saved from a snake attack. Tune in for the story at 8 o'clock. But that would be really dramatic. Okay, he was not attacked. I took him out to go to the bathroom this morning, and we were on our way back in the backyard. And just like in the middle of the yard, I saw the snake, and I was shook. I did take a video. Why didn't I post it? It was like a gardener snake? Is it a garden snake? A gardener or a garter? Like, isn't that like something you wear? How do I download this? Oh, duh. I wish it said download. Sorry, Snapchat's above you now. It's exporting. Burn the whole yard. Oh, you know it. It's already done. There's no yard anymore. I'm talking about the yard that was. No, Light didn't even get close to it. I saw it before Light was in front of me. And so I was like, whoa, let's back off. And to be honest, it seemed like I got in the snake's way because it turned around. It was going towards the house. And when I got out of its way, it turned around and was going away from the house. And so I was like, oh, you were on your way out and I interrupted you. I'm so sorry. My bad. There, I posted in my Discord. Let's see if I can send it to Yup. Yup, it'll be a shitty video. So, have fun. So it's inside now? Exactly. No. So when we were so I was watching it. Hi, no one. How are you? Happy Sunday.
Ladies.
I hope you're having a really good day. We're talking about a snake I saw in the yard when I was taking Light out this morning. Oh yeah, so I followed the snake. And it would like stop every few feet and look up, and it was really cute. It was like a gerbil, but a snake. And so, what do you call it? Oh yeah. So I kept kind of like inching forward, and that would like push the snake a little farther until it was in the bushes. And I was like, okay, good. You're safe. I'm safe. Light's a dog. The yard is there. All good. My God, who turned the music up? But everything was fine. It was just interesting, cute, and silly. If you'd like to see the video, I did post it in Discord just now. It's a shitty Snapchat. I don't know why I went to Snapchat. I was like, the world needs to see this. But it was a, what is it? A Gartner snake? A garter snake. But still, it was exciting. I saw a snake. I feel like I haven't seen any snakes in the wild. I've been lucky. But yeah, I feel like I've been lucky. So that was like the first time I've personally encountered a snake in my life. I never like warming up with killer games, so I'm gonna do one survivor game, and then I think I'll play a couple killer games. Sophia, can you survive a few killer games? No one, you're playing clown? Ooh. Is this your first game as clown, or are you just living the clown life where survivors bully the clown? Yep, pup. So I might be at my office like all the time now. So you live there? Did you get like a bed? I'm just kidding. I'm such a troll. All the time now, and like maybe I get a leech for my office. How cute. If you're gonna get a leech, then why didn't you get a snail? Huh? I guess a leech, there's not much of a mess. I don't know. What do leeches do? Are they messy? They're very messy creatures, you know. They're worse than ferrets. Just kidding. I made that up. Sophia, Q, I need a hero from saving Light. Oh my god, you're right. I should have made a montage to make it look like I was a hero. The snake was so cute. But like, a snake in real life in my salad? No thank you. It was in my Caesar salad. But no one, good luck in your clown game. I hope you get 30 kills. Yup, pup. I would bring a reptile in, but I don't think my boss would like it. But what about snails? Sophia, you're about to get cooked as your one perk Chucky. I love that you just adamantly refuse to put points into him. I love it. That gives me life. Does my voice sound any raspier than yesterday? I feel like talking for 7.5 hours yesterday was like a lot on my voice. You know what I mean?
And sis, that's tea.
Like, I would bring Dick Cheney, the crested gecko. Yeah, like, that kind of animal would do really well in an office space. I forgot that turns the light off and shocks you with noise. Oh my god! Sophia, I'm against Chucky. Is it you? It has to be you. Obviously. I mean, I'm not the P70 in your lobby. It must be the other two. Excuse me, I got the skill check, so you have to get the skill check. Also, that would be awesome if it was Unicorn, but I feel like Sophia would have seen that my name is the Witchling TTV. Or maybe they kept it a secret. And they're gonna kill me. You're dead on the ground. Dead on the ground. Dead, 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 dead. That's from Bob's Burgers. Yay. Oh my god, not another one of those moments where I'm like, where's the gen that's usually around here? Is anyone gonna go get him? Oh. Now they know where we are. Oh god. We're going down, ladies. Ooh, that was so close to not being any kind of skill check. Where is he? Ah! Oh god. Ah! Oh, that was so close. Gosh darn it. How did we end up on the same side? Ooh, I'm a balanced landing queen right now. No, what am I talking about? I just lied to everybody. I'm a head-on queen right now. Do you think he saw me? Hee hee! What if I was like, sorry, Sophia? Oh! Sorry, Sophia! Just kidding. I still think Sophia would have said by now. No! Oh, I thought they didn't see the basement. Oh, I was so close. Poopy. Remember, there were so many 4% yesterday. By that, I mean 2. That's wild. Oh. I guess I'll wait for the whatever to be done. You know the thing. Because I forgot their timers now. Oh, I forgot. It's also behind my camera. I've been considering moving or like having a different display for the, what do you call it? Like status effects. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. No!
Where did you go? I just want to play.
I can't believe we got away with the bullshit. Fine, I'll finish healing myself. First clown game went very well. Congrats. So, do you mean first clown game tonight? Or do you mean first clown game ever? Also, what clown skin do you wear? Or do you do classique? Sophia, I hope your game's going well too. I don't think there's anywhere to head on there. No, but that would have been perfect for... Oh my god! Oh no! I'm so toxic. Who allowed me in this game? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to come in here and start bullying Chucky. Oh. The opportunity just...
That's tea.
The opportunity presented itself. I'm an opportunistic queen. What can I say? That is the motherfucking tea. Whoop. Can't believe that. I mean, I can believe that. I'm just a terrible person. Hi, Sallow. Hello, friend. Just wanted to say hi and have a good stream. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you're doing well tonight and having a good rest of your weekend. Huntress friend for life. I started that hashtag, I swear. Oh, I don't have a... whatever it's called. No one. Tonight, LOL, but I never play him. Played him once or twice, maybe. Oh, did he just open the door? I'm sorry. I had my first clown game like a month ago. Like first ever. I had bought him finally because I wasn't gonna buy the Skull Merchant. Sorry about it. Which door got opened? He's over y'all's toxicity. Honestly, I would be too. I saw that red really intensely and I thought it was the killer stain and I had a heart attack. No one. Second clown game, less so. Well, maybe the third will be the perfect game. Where's Mr. Light? Where the devil is the devil? Super Coda Bear, GG's, well played. I was just about to say I hope you had fun. It was fun too for me. I felt so bad at the hook. But I was like, ooh, he's coming all this way. Let me just go insert myself. And then I was just trying to mess around with the head-ons. Yeah, I figured. I was like, you tried so hard. And I was just like, does he see me? Am I a skinny legend? That is so fun, so funny. But GG's, well played. I'm really glad you had fun. Because I had a lot of fun in that game too. Oh my gosh. Hi, Primrose.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Super Coda, thank you so much for the follow. I'll give you a follow. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you have a good rest of your games.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
I can't speak fast enough. Primrose, thank you for the fun round, Witchling. Thank you for being a wonderful teammate, and thank you for the follow. Oh, thank you. Y'all, have good in your games if you're still playing. Good luck in your games. Primrose, were you the Claudette by chance? I can't remember. I had a special bond with the Claudette. We were in the lockers together. I think it was Claudette. All the survivors blend in. Elda, hey, can you use my build? No mither, self-care, plot twist, scene partner for the and for the item, medkit, anti-hem, and a styptic agent. Those are some really good suggestions, except that it's a setup. I've done that build before, actually, and I wish I was kidding, but I'm not. Because you try to get to see if the killer will laugh, but usually they don't. But it will. But thank you for the suggestion. Oh, it was all three of you together? Well, GG's to all of you. That was a really good game. Oh, you were the Michaela. Gotcha. All three of us are on Discord together, though. Well, make sure to tell them GG's from Witchling. The Chubby Jeff. Thank you, so fun. It was a really fun game. And to have a fun game on Nostromo, let me tell you, it's not easy. And now I'm going to play a few killer games, and then I'll probably go back to Survivor and play with Sophia if she'll have me. But also, again, Primrose, thank you again for the follow. That was real kind. Are you a streamer, or any of y'all streamers? I'll drop you a follow back. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Good luck to y'all, too. No, just a bunch of nerds. Super Coda. How dare they not tell me that they're a streamer that I must support. They're playing Hag. A DBD player after my own heart. Thank you for letting me know that, Unicorn. Wish me luck. We're on Toba. Oh my gosh, I forgot about rubber banding. You go to sleep, you wake up, you forget rubber banding is the worst thing ever. I did see somebody's hair. It's very loud hair. Ha! I fucked myself up. I was like, ooh, I'm in front of her. This is going so well. And then she even got more in front of me by throwing the pallet. Oh, I can't believe that. But I can only blame myself. That's the worst part. You gotta learn from your mistakes, you know. Just gotta do it. Another mistake I must learn from. Did you see how he bounced and was like, got him? And I was like, you're right, he got me. I thought he was just trying to be like me, where you know, give the killer a kiss, you know. That's not fair. The one time I want to go into the basement. You're mine. But I'll pretend Fang's not here. That's fine. Wow, she didn't want to hang out. Ah! Let me out of here. Yep, pup. My love. Sweet pea. I'm going to go for a little and do chores, so I'm going to put YouTube on my phone. Sorry, friend. Don't worry. Thank you for being here and for being here all day yesterday. Like, I appreciate you, yep, pup. Have fun doing chores. Take a extra little edible for me. Ooh. Not where I thought it would go. Love and miss you always. Thanks, yep, pup. Same to you. And hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Where are they? Why must they slip past me? Why must they all be skinny legends? Whoa. A little too far. I wanted a second blink. Yeah, pup, can do. I was gonna do work chores and now I'm like, nah. I'm gonna complete all my house chores first. Well, chores are chores and you're being productive, so kudos to you. I'm so proud. Come back, coffee lover. You better be decaf because I'm angry. I saw you. How was I not going to see my little friend? Okay. Okay, so this is Ash Williams. He hunts deadites. Does that make Nurse a deadite? Heard it here first. Sophia, you got a 4K? Good job. I don't know if you heard, but like, there were like a Chucky in my game, and I wanted it to be you, but it wasn't. But I bullied them, and I felt so bad, and then they came to my chat, and they followed me, and I felt even more bad. But they said they had fun during the game, so I was really happy because I was like, I was just messing around, I'm sorry. I was just being my normal troll self. But I was like, I was ready to die for you. What? What's happening? Oh, I see him. Damn it! The rock was thicker than I thought. Where are they? Oh, there she is. Where'd she go? Oh, that means you killed the P70s. We love to see it. Give me somebody else but the Ash. They try. I guess if that girl stayed here, they probably could have committed. I know your dirty tricks now, silly. Silly Goosenheimer. Wow, they just went in a circle. They had head-ons, sabos, and flashies. I've never heard of survivors bringing those ever. You had a P72 Vittorio and a P73 Jane. Ooh. A P70 Vittorio. Were they shirtless? Probably not because you didn't let them live. I feel like I have to hook the Art of War And which fang is that? Is it this one? Yes, it is. That's not who I wanted. Whatever that one perk is really difficult to deal with. The one where you hit somebody and they leave no marks or whatever. They leave no gaucho marks. I don't even know what that means. I heard Trixie say it, so it's cool. Like, I want Fang. Show me to Fang. Ooh, so close. Oh my god, you bringing friends till the end? You're a demon. Needs to go back to Demonville, where you belong. Ugh. I love it. Love that the blinks won't work. Literally, I'm looking for one Fang. And she's just playing like the stupidest sneak. I'm pretty sure she hasn't been hooked once. Like, really? Where is she? See, I knew I could do that blink. Wow, finally. Is that so hard? When did Ash turn into Yui? Oh, I forgot I had a challenge for breaking shit. Where's she going? Oh. Well, you have fun. Sophia, do you want to play Survivor? Oh no. Sure, LOL. Yay! Can I get it? Bam. Just had a rough game, but got the 4K. Ooh, they made you work for it. I'm sorry. Oh my god!
Hit it, sisters!
I love that he said groovy. Primrose in Neverland, thank you so much for the Prime sub. That's so kind of you. You know, you can only use those once a month. So thank you so much for choosing my channel. Especially since we just met. That's so sweet. Thank you. Anytime. I appreciate you so much. You deserve it. Thank you. That's really kind of you. Thanks for hanging out. Oh, first of all, I have to spend blood points. Not me being at 2 million. Oh yeah, I should put them into Steve because I discovered that Steve doesn't have Kindred. No one. I'm to Eerie 1 now. Ooh, congratulations.
Ladies.
Whoops. Do you what was I trying? Do you try to get to Eerie 1 on both sides or just Killer? Primrose, the cap is ridiculous sometimes. It's easy to get to 2 mil. Completely. Especially when you play a lot and you don't like spending time doing blood webs. And the free codes, it is nice that at least with the codes, it usually goes over the cap. But you'll still be capped. It's not like you can go over more. Sophia, gonna grab water, but ready up. Sounds good, friend. No one. Now I need Survivor to get to Eerie 1. Ooh, okay. So you do both sides. Well, congratulations on getting to Eerie 1. Now, ooh, what? We're in May. Oh gosh. What level are you in Survivor? See, I get distracted. I start talking and I stop pressing the button. It should be so easy to just press the button, but it's not. A silver tier. Oh, okay. You'll make it. That's no big deal. I was like, oh God, you only have till the 13th. No, you're fine. Which reminds me, Primrose, I'm sure you did it already, but there was that code. Was it Splendor or Splendid? Whichever one it was, I got it wrong. What is my challenge? Am I doing totems? Okay, well, that won't open. Splendid. Gotcha. Yeah, if anybody plays DBD and hasn't done the code for Splendid, it gives you rift fragments for the rift, which is very nice. I feel like they don't do that too often. And yeah, it gave you the 500k blood points, which was real nice. And I heard rumors that they're bringing back that one blood point event where you get 3 times for every match. But I wonder, I don't know. I wonder if that's true or not. Why invent the Blood Moon event if you're just gonna do a Blood Rush that's 3 times blood points? But it was just a rumor. I don't think DBD, the devs, announced that though. Ooh, no one. Who do you want me to play and what do you want me to wear? I will try my best to wear it. Absolutely. I will say I don't have any other Steve outfits or Nancy outfits. Ooh, you want me to play Daddy Vittorio? Okay. Oh no! Is she running? Hi. Uh-oh. I don't want him in the pallet. Yes! I did it! I protected you both! You should pay me money! Ah! $5 extra because I got a tentacle whip, ladies. God damn it! Steve, you're not the skinny legend I want you to be. I'm sorry.
Ladies.
I tried to throw the pallet, which also wouldn't have worked, so. Well, I didn't think it would take you so long to get water. Do I play Nemi? I do. I wouldn't say he's in like my top 5 even, but I do play him. I have him leveled up. I'm so bad with his tentacle whip. I think my issue with playing the Nemesis is that I try to use my tentacle too often, and it usually leads to... Ah! I thought he was good. DBD decided to be a horror game tonight. I'm traumatized. Oh god. What's the slide glitch? Thank you, Unicorn. Primrose, he is a daddy. It's so true. We're gonna, like, I already know which outfit I'm playing with Vittorio. Like, I'm excited. I wonder if I'm already wearing it. I don't know. But yeah, so when I play Nemi, it's just so alluring. Alluring. Ah! What the hell? He's bullying me. Please tell me Benji's not here. No one. Basically, DBD hitboxes go from the top of the body and down. So if you use your whip whilst moving left or right, you can hit them even if they are crouched. Really? Interesting. Like, literally moving left or right, like A key, W key on keyboard. Crouch being at a pallet or window. Oh, I see. Why does this keep happening to me? Hi, groceries. How are you? Have you been practicing your Fortnite skills? We're gonna squad again soon. I know it. No one. Yeah, if you use your whip whilst sliding left or right, you can hit them even if they are hiding. I'm gonna remember the shit out of that. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday, and I hope you've had a good weekend. Sad that it's cough cough coming to an end soon. We'll see. Groceries, I need to freshen up again. It's been fantastic. A very much needed weekend. Good. I'm glad you're taking some time to enjoy some time. You know what I mean? I know you've been busy. Me too. I quit my second job. Well, I'm glad you were able to do that, or made this a decision to do that. That must be a bunch of time freed up. Or maybe not a bunch, but some time freed up. More than nothing. Huge relief. Oh, I'm so glad. That's always so good.
And sis, that's tea.
This nemesis was like, this Steve doesn't know what they're doing. May have 3,000 hours in this game, but he doesn't know how to play. And I was like, yeah, it's true. That would have hit me. Groceries, going from working 7 to 20 days in a row to just a normal 40-hour work week. Gonna get laid so much. JK, I'm really not sure about that, but Dev gonna enjoy it. Well, I'm so glad that you made that change and that choice, and that you get to have a much more free time. Cause like, adding work onto a 40-hour work week, my goodness. And like your days off become work days for your second job. And then you're like, yeah, I can do this extra shift. I have work ethic. Yeah, I can pick up that shift, Cheryl, I guess, because you have a bum knee. Groceries. I honestly used to work 30 days in a row. That's a month. You know that? Have one weekend off, pulling 60 to 80 hours a week. I'm tired for you. Because you don't have time to be tired, so I'll be tired for you. My goodness. That's too much. I'd work a whole month, have a weekend off. Oh my goodness. I'm glad you're not doing that anymore. My goodness. LOL, exactly. And I'm just done. I figured out my limit. Good. I mean, I'm sad that you worked so much to the point that you found a limit. However, I'm glad you've pulled back from that limit. Very much so. Unicorn, around Christmas, I only get 1 day off a week. Oh my gosh. Do y'all remember Pier 1 Imports? I mean, it's still around.
Ladies.
But I used to work there in the holidays. Talk about, yeah, 1 day off a week, maybe. Because what they would do is it's like, oh, you work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, but the work week starts on Sunday, and you work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so what is that? That's a whole fucking chunk of days with no breaks. But it's legal because
And sis,
the
that's
work
tea.
week restarted, ladies. No one, that is too much. Hope this helps you take some time for your health. Completely. Do what's best for you. These corporations don't care about you. Even if it's a nonprofit, they don't care about you. Groceries. I'm built like a Glinsdale horse. I'm built like a stuffed horse pinata who's been left in the sun. Groceries. I have a corporate job, and then I'd run the lumber department for Home Depot. The lumber department? Oh my goodness. Yeah, you gotta say you've got a broken leg or something. You're like, take it from me. I have a broken leg. No, you don't have to check. Yes, I went FMLA. And yeah, I'm going on leave for a year. Be back soon. They're like, but you're walking. And you're like, it's broken. I have a pain tolerance. You don't get it. That's how I've worked so much. Unicorn. Oh, I don't do it now. LOL. They get 3 days a week and every other Saturday. Well, good. But I know they take advantage of young people, and honestly, some young people can do it, so good for you. Other young people, it's called burnout.
And sis, that's tea.
Also, Sophia, how dare you not say hi to groceries? Oh, beware, there's an ad starting soon. Groceries. I can drive a forklift better than most men. But I look like such a girly girl, and it throws people off. I'm glad that you're making insecure men feel uncomfortable as you run a forklift and run the fucking lumber department. Like, hell yeah. Okay, time for Vittorio.
Ladies.
Imagine I was like, oh, I don't have him. After all of that. Okay, so I love this head.
Gay?
Gay.
I'm not wearing this one. I mean, this is his base hair, so they really popped off. Honestly, I feel like this is my... it's my... Oh my gosh. Something about this is very attractive. I do like this a lot. But it's like, why is it short sleeve? Not that I'm upset. I love this head. Yes. There's also that, and then there's this, which I don't care for. And then I don't have any pants for him. I think you can... Oh, Mr. Light's in the way. So I don't have any pants for him. I have these. I feel like it's between this one and this one. Groceries, and guys would try to ask me out, and I'd always tell them, I ain't got time for them. They never believe me. Like, dude, I might as well be like 3. Oh my gosh. Unless you're Mexican, maybe not say that. Groceries, that's how much I work. Unicorn, I ain't as young as I once was. No one, honestly, I get it. I'm a yes man, so I'm trying to work on that. I'm a yes man because of motherfucking anxiety. Because, like, if I don't say yes, like, I'm gonna get fired, obviously. So, like, you say yes to make them happy so that you don't get fired. Because you know you're gonna mess up sometime, and you want to be like, I said yes to you all those times. You don't want to get rid of me. No, yeah, groceries. I can't believe she was here the whole time. Just kidding. She was running for her life. That's literally what was happening. Yeah, I have this one. It's not happening. But we have the lovely Sophia, Mama Steve, who is filling our fantasies. So thank you, Sophia. Oh, fuck yes. You have cheesecake? I want cheesecake. You have cheesecake. I want cheesecake. Unicorn, and it was timed perfect with the gay sound redeem. Free range, do as you like. I'll go with this one. There's something like I like the other one, but it's not as fun. Does that make sense? Probably not. Like, where's the fun? He's got bracelets and stuff, so that's cool. He's got accessories. Oh, this gives him more accessories and a backpack. Sophia. What's my build? Oh, I thought you left. I was like, don't be like all the other survivors and leave. Let's see. We'll do a balanced landing. Classic. Let's see. I always want to run borrowed time, but I never do. So let's do it. What should it be? Also, thank you for the redemption, for choosing my outfit. I appreciate that's fun. I appreciate that. No, I have balanced landing. I'm not bringing dramaturgy. I'm always so tempted. Ooh, what about no, stakeout. I love stakeout. It helps everything. Until the gens are done, I guess. Oh wait, I have a holiday charms on. That won't do. We need my witchling cat. And then what else? Let's see. 8 seconds. No! I guess we're going with the gingerbread man. I love it.
Show me the gay.
A sleigh. Groceries dropped that thick piece of cake in Discord. I need to see. No one. Oh wait. How did I miss so much? My goodness. Cheesecake sounds so good right now. Cheesecake. I love cheesecake. Primrose, I've got to run to bed, but have a lovely night, chat fam. Good night, Primrose. Thank you so much for being just a wonderful human and hanging out, and for dropping the follow and the Prime sub. You're so sweet. Get some rest. Have a wonderful start to your week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. My next stream is Tuesday. See you then.
Ladies.
I do love him in that t-shirt, the Iron Maiden t-shirts. Oh my God! Oh Jesus! Oh Christ! Oh, Sophia, if you hadn't gotten up, I would have just I would be on the hook, but like in general, I would have passed away. Like I would have it gone. You're telling me. That scared me so bad. So I'm sorry if I blew out anybody's earphones or ears in general. Oh yeah, that's what I was checking. Discord. And then Michael Myers attacked me in my own house. There's a Jen here. Wow, don't tell me what to do. Even though I was gonna suggest the same thing to you. Is he here again? Don't make me get scared. Oh my god, that cheesecake looks amazing. Are you kidding me? I forgot that there were 3 Vittorios. My goodness. Which one's which? I don't know who's who. It's coming for my ass. I know it. Oh shit! Please tell me this is not Scratch Me or Myers, please. No one. Your scream mixed with that literally gave me a heart attack. Not the double whammy. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. It's like that's one of my favorite parts of DBD. And also, it traumatizes. You healed his booty? Raspberry drizzle. Everything made from scratch. Even the drizzle? That's incredible. I hope it tastes as good as the description. My mouth is watering and it's your fault. So I'm going to time you out for 35 minutes. Just kidding. I'm literally drooling. Doesn't that sound so good, no one? I'm waiting for Myers to come through this door. Michael playing peekaboo. Honestly. Or are you saying that you see him and I don't? Because I will scream. That was such bad timing because I was going to heal. And I tapped the gen instead. I'm so tempted to play Myers. He's right there. Oh my gosh. Had I read that right away, I probably would have believed you. And I... Oh my god. No, Sophia. I didn't know that was you. I really probably would have. Because sometimes I don't see him. And he is right there. And I'm like, dee-dee-dee. I'm talking to chat. No big deal. Are you outside? Oh.
Ladies.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. Oh God! I don't know why I didn't expect him to be that close, but I didn't expect him to be that close. Ah! I'm sorry. He's not going where I expect him to be. I'm so scared. Oh God. I really wanted him to come through the door. I love when killers come through the door and the survivor's just right there. Yes, it would be for the bit, but I love it. I love bit. Yeah, now he literally is right there. He's probably the scariest killer. I agree in that way where he can jump scare you. I don't know if you have encountered a xenomorph using the unknowns perk where you kick the gen, terror radius on gen, no terror radius for the killer. Hi, Ridire. How are you? Thank you for the lurk. I hope your stream was wonderful. He's coming! But the xenomorph, I think, to date... Oh my... I don't even know. Did the xenomorph give me the biggest scare to date? Probably not. But it did give me several heart attacks. Shiva, I put the anal in analogy. Anal-ology. No, anal-ology. No. An analogy, I love it. I don't know why I've never thought of necromance having romance in it. But I love it. I guess I could have said necromancer. But... I literally looked out the window to check! I looked! You tried. You try to be active in looking around and being aware of the stuff that's happening in this game. And he's never where I expect him to be. Oh, it was so close. I'm so sorry, no one. I am so sorry. And yes, anal orgy, that's it. That's what I was trying to say. And I'm glad you haven't encountered the xenomorph with that. It was so scary. I literally just pooped my heart out. Well, don't flush. You're gonna need that. I'm sorry, Sophia. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, everybody. That was so scary. And on this map... Well, that's how you know they're authentic, because they literally come out of nowhere, probably mid-sentence. I'm like, yeah, we're talking about anal orgy. Ah! You know what I mean? Like, blood-curdling scream. But it's not my fault, except that it is. I have to go to the bathroom or risk peeing myself if I scream anymore. It's every time every time you look up from your phone. I'm teaching you a lesson. You gotta keep watching. Keep watching the stream. Anyways, I'm gonna go pee. BRB, Sophia already up. I'm back. I made it. Don't you worry. I know y'all were worried. Also, no one. Thank you so fucking much for that compliment. That was really. I love that you said not to get soppy out of nowhere. But that kind of comment means a lot to me. Oh God! Welcome back. Thank you, Unicorn. And man, this Vittorio needs to go shirtless. Are you talking about me? Because it's true. I just don't have that skin yet. Is this the thing where you mend yourself and you're broken? Because that would be upsetting. No problem, and it's true, so yeah. Well, I appreciate you coming back and hanging out and just vibing and being a cool friend, so thank you. I can thank you for that.
Ladies.
Hi, Jay. How are you? I hope you're doing well. We are against La Legion. Les Legion. Where's the... There it is. Ran them out of their power. Hell yeah. Oh, Jesus! Oh my goodness, Jay. I wish you had been at the last game. It was against Myers on Midwich, and I'm pretty sure they did have Scratch Mirror. I know I didn't check. Oh! Not them walking away. No! Sophia, you're incredible. Oh my goodness. Hi, I hope everything is going well. Jay, things are going very well. It's been a really nice night. The games are going well. I may not be surviving, but that's okay. The first game was against a really kind Chucky, in the way that they played the game. Were really good sport about it. They came in the chat, dropped me a follow, and said that they had a fun game too. So I love when a killer can take a head on and laugh, because I don't mean it on purpose. I just like head on. It's fun. It's like a little surprise. It's like a Kinder Egg, okay? It's exactly the same. If you look up them on Google, you see head on plays. You're so much faster than me. Okay. And oh, what else happened? Then I played a nurse game. I achieved my goal of 2 hooking everybody. There was a Feng Min that was very elusive. So that was annoying. And now I'm playing with Sophia, and there was that Michael Myers game where I screamed bloody murder several times. Yay! Oh, thank you. Oh, not you both being down. Surviving as Survivor? Never. That's not what it's for. That's not why they're named that. They're called survivors because they serve vibes. Was that good? I thought that was pretty clever. Wordplay.
And sis, that's tea.
But Sophia, I hope you clipped that from your side because I am going to clip the shit out of that. Uh-oh. That was the worst 360 of my life. Ooh, so close. Sophia! I could see it! I could see it happening! Oh my god! It doesn't activate balance landing.
Ladies.
Such trolls. Both of us. Oh my goodness. It kills me. Sophia, uh-oh. It was so good. Why didn't, like, I know that killers forget. They're in the moment. They're just like, oh god, these annoying survivors, let me pick up this goddamn survivor and put him on a hook before something happens. Before somebody does a buckle up for the people. And so she just picked up immediately and didn't think about Sophia's flashlight. That was a stretch, but you did it. I thought it was pretty good. They serve vibes, not because they survive. I'm dumb. Maybe you should unfollow now while you still can. Cause like the Onryo's condemned statuses, once I hook you, you're locked in. Jay, I don't know how to do a proper 360, but I just try to press button and hope it works. Honestly, I smash AWDS and hope that in turn that creates a circle. Because as we know, the entity is very scared of circles. Oh. I just want to do a little bit of a gen. Did she lose me? Ooh. Ladies, skinny legend.
Ladies.
Uh-oh. Do you think she saw me? No. Oh my god, she found you instead? I'm so sorry. I'm surprised she didn't use her power on you. Wow, I'm a sneaky legend. Ah! Oh, I was trying to fake it, but I ended up pressing space anyways. Okay. Sophia, I don't really have anything to save you in my active state. Oh, are they coming here? Today? Not today. Balance land. Ah! Ah! Why am I like this? I was so proud of that balance landing, just to land right into her fucking face. I need a fucking acetaminophen. No, and I do it all the time. Then I just stand still and death stare at the survivor. I love it. Jay, I know the point is not being able to truly see the entity, but it would be cool to have a killer that is the entity. That would be very cool. I feel like it would be very difficult. Like, how would you ever live up to it? Unless, what if the entity was like kind of like Legion, where you can choose different forms of the entity? Like that should be the spider killer that they introduced to DBD. Is an entity killer. That makes it sound like it's somebody who kills the entity. No, it's entity as the killer. No one. I feel like that vault should have activated balanced landing. That was such a good play by them. It really was. I didn't even think about where the door was. No one. Or if you could see the entity when a killer does a Mori. Ooh. I do wish that was the case. Like if they would kind of like... like in regular Moris, you just leave the body. What if the entity still came to take the body? And was like... What if it said something really creepy, like, sacrifice accepted, bitch? And then it goes, ladies.
Ladies.
I love when it's raiding survivors. Me too. That happened the other day. Sophia landed in front of me, and it scared the shit out of me. What would another entity form be? There's the spider entity. Let's see. There's the entity. There's like the fog entity. No, Sable. We trusted you. We believed in you. Ooh. Or the entity is watching over proudly. That would be cool. Entity? Oh my god, more wordplay. That's like weirdly anti-women. It's like, and titties. No, more titties. And it's like, no, we like titties. We want titties. Titties are cool. More titties. Come back when the entity is called more titties. Oh my god. Why am I allowed to speak? No one encouraged me. Sophia, I got completely slugged to death. I'm sorry. Like, they bled you out? I'm sorry. They must have been very upset by your plays, but your plays were off the motherfucking chain. So that's what we're going to focus on, because you literally got like 3 clips already and it's fucking game 2. So, my goodness, this is going well. They shouldn't have bled you out. That was rude. That's not that's not really acceptable. There's no reason. However, we're focusing on how fucking iconic you were, because that was crazy. And if they look back, they'll see that I was screaming. It was not planned. We're not in comms. Like, they must have taken it as very aggressive. Oh yeah. I'm like a Vittorio main now. Jay, DBD put an ass on PP head. Why not titties too? Completely. Where are they? Give all the survivors titties. All the killers titties. Make it a cosmetic. Where's the cosmetic for breastplate?
Ladies. And sis, that's tea.
I too vote for titties. More titties, please. PP Head is so fine. Like, who was... Oh, we were talking about... We were playing the DBD dating sim yesterday. And we were like, where's the oiled up PP Head? And that altered my brain chemistry. Because I was like, he's always covered in blood. But now, in my mind, he's covered in oil. And now that's nice. Is it olive oil? I don't know why my mind went there. But it's like, if he's gonna be in oil, it's gonna be olive. Duh. Jay, maybe one day we can think of drag names for all the killers. Oh my god, I love that. You know I fucking love wordplay. The way I wrote that down, because I want to remember that. Zach, someone call boobsforqueens.com. Ah, DBD, new licensed content. Oh my god, I'm putting that in. Oh, that Renato looks good. But my Renato's shirtless.
Ladies.
Oh, no. Definitely vegetable oil. Vegan. Good. Is olive oil not vegan? I didn't know that. PP Head is eco-friendly up in here. True. We know this. It's why we champion PP Head on the stream. Captain Planet was PP Head before he had the pyramid. Do you see me just reading what you said, Jay? What if RuPaul is the killer in the new DBD DLC? That would be so funny. What is her power? Fracking?
And sis, that's tea.
No one. I think they put some stuff in it that makes it not vegan. Oh, I see. I didn't even think of other ingredients to the oils. I was just like, you squish an olive. Is there an animal in there? Oh, that's a leaf. I don't know what I thought it was. Okay. We're playing super serious. Getting out of this alive, ladies.
Ladies.
Oh my god, it's Plague. We're not getting out alive. Inner strength is for nothing. I hate my life. Hex Undying. Why does she have Undying? She can see my aura right now, ladies. And that's why she's coming for me. Why wouldn't she? She's like, look at this idiot. No! I was so sneaky. How could that go wrong? Olive oil is vegan. I had to look because I thought it wasn't too. Well, maybe certain ones aren't vegan. Maybe olive oil isn't kosher. I don't know what that means. I'm not in that religion. Unicorn, imagine being chased and hearing you better work. That would be really funny. Yeah, what would that be just something she says, or would it be like a terror radius? You can heal me if you want for points, otherwise, no big deal. Jay, I'm just trying to figure out the way to get the best outfits in DVD. I love it. Let's see. Do I see her? Yes, I do. I see all those. Okay. petition for RuPaul to be the new killer. Never mind Vecna. I love that. Oh, she hit Meg! Which is, you know, that's a cardinal sin, but still. Damn it! I think I'm just terrible. Ooh, what if RuPaul was a skin for Vecna? Also, not Vecna from Stranger Things. This is Vecna from D&D, right? Or are we just imagining Vecna from Stranger Things being added? I feel like she's gonna come back. Sorry. Jay, wait for RuPaul Killer. Wait for RuPaul Killer. Her Mori would be literally snatching your wig, but in DBD that would be like scalping you. You're playing bald David and she just like takes off your head, beheads you. When the Mori starts, she's like, the time has come for your head to come off. No, there would be something more clever. No one. I feel like that's an insult to Mama Ru.
Ladies.
I think not. Eye twitches. What if Ru is the entity? Oh, that's scary. The scary thoughts. That is more fitting. Michelle is Vecna. Ah! Why? See, I can do a skill check. You can see right there. I hate my life. Are we thinking she has what? Like Tinkerer? I didn't even think of that. I thought I would live. Well, I guess I did kind of accept my fate when it was a plague. Now sashay away. Oh. I pulled my headphones out. Just make sure to see her perks afterwards. True. I always forget. I'm like, ooh, what are these buttons? Click, click, click next. That's what it's like. I really like this jacket Renato has. No, Mama Steve. When does Plague get her own chase music? I feel like a Babylonian chase music would be really cool. Now, wait, now I'm really sad because we know Mama Ru won't ever be in DBD. True. Which, I'm excited to find out that you are into RuPaul. Did you watch seasons, what season just happened? 16? Oh, and All Stars is about to start. We're about to have Angeria back on our fucking screens, even though that's like the one season I haven't seen. She has Tinker. That's what I thought. And I learned by dying to it. She fully caught me. I was busy being fabulous. Zach, She would think she's doing an ad for that new DVD thing. Oh my god. Yeah, the newfangled DVD technology that's sweeping the nation. She's like, yeah, I'll have my face on the DVD. No one. Of course I am. Who couldn't love Rue? Who couldn't love Rue? I have an answer. I'm trying to remember it. Pearl. Courtney Act. Ooh, that one too. Willem. That's a good one too. I didn't even think of that. And yeah, Jay, that's like the one main season I haven't seen on the US franchise. It's very I think like an All-Stars or something came out and we were like, we have to make a choice. And we chose. Isn't Shay on that season? I don't know. Is that the one where WP wins? Conservatives, but that's not the point. That could be the answer to everything. Why does the world suck? Why do I have dry eyes? Why is lights anus leaking? You know, conservatives. We try not to get political here, but yeah. We're not, don't worry. Sophia being slugged again. Yeah, I see that. Or maybe she's slugged for the 4K. Quite unnecessary. Jay, season 14 has Maddie. I was like, ew, the season with the straight one? Gross. I don't want to watch that one. Maybe that's why I didn't watch it. Also, Sophia, I'm literally watching your screen. You don't need to live tweet us that you're being slugged. Thank you, though. No one. Oh, wait. This is fun. Who is our fave queens from any season? I mean, from my sound commands, can you tell?
Ladies. And sis, that's tea. This shade is called Making Do With What You Have.
Guess what? I died. Newsflash.
Ladies.
She definitely had Tinkerer. Yeah. A plague after my own heart, bringing Undying without any other hex totem perk. I love you. I think it's a good perk on its own. Like, I love Trixie, I love Katya, I love a lot of the season 7 girls, I love All Stars 2 girls. Like, I'm here for Alaska. I love a lot of the OG queens. When I so I'm relatively very recent to Drag Race. I only started watching like basically the pandemic started, and I started watching with Zach maybe a little bit before. I'm not sure. Probably not. And I was adamant that I wanted to start from the beginning, so that's what we did. And like I love Jujubee, I love Angina. I love so many. We started the end of 2020, gotcha. So that's definitely inside. We've penetrated the pandemic by that point. Slugging for the 4K is so real. I mean, we don't know her life. Maybe she had a challenge that required killing all 4 survivors. Angina, just any Gina. What's her name? Is it Angina? Like with an O? Who else? But like my favorite is like Jinx Monsoon. Behind me, I have a Jinx Monsoon Funko Pop. It is like prized possession. Angina. Okay, good. I was probably just slurring my words. Sophia, sometimes I do. I cannot like. Sometimes it has to be done. Like if you need a guaranteed 4K, no survivors out, you would have to slug. Otherwise, there's always a chance Hatch will spawn right on top of them. It'll spawn right in the path of your chase, what have you. Sort of like when you have to decide between a Rebecca and a Leon. Jay, you love Delta Works podcast. I love Delta Works. She's wonderful. I love that season too. Ooh, Alexis Mateo, Latrice Royale, Shangela. I'm like just naming the cast. No, and your personal favorite's Jan Sport. Oh, Jan's wonderful. Wonderful. I watch a lot of her TikToks. No one. I don't hate Leon. I swear. It was for a challenge. Oh my gosh, Raja, Manila. Those are 2 amazing choices. So good. Bob, Monet, hello.
Ladies.
Basically anyone on All Stars 7. Huge fan. Love them all. Leon trusted you. I'm sorry. Matt hates Leon. It's canon. Ooh. Having Scarlet Envy be your favorite is very interesting to me. Not that she's like controversial or like bad or anything, but I'm just like, ooh, for a fave overall. I grew to love her on All Stars. Or UK versus the world. She really won me over. Are you sure this is a good idea? Zach, I've met Jinx, Katya, Ginger, and Willem. Ginger is also a fucking fave. Are you kidding me? Another Myers? I knew I should leave that area, and I did, and I'm glad. Because now Sophia's in chase. Like, who else is on the cast of Drag Race? Like, let's go. Jay, I thought Ginger was going to win All-Stars. I feel like she deserved to. It would have been great. Ooh, a more recent queen of mine that is a favorite is Mistress. She's totally won me over with her fucking YouTube videos. I hate her, and now I love her. No one, I feel very offended. I am Leon. No! Also, not you being in Resident Evil. I'm sorry you had to go through that. It must have been very traumatic. Oh, at least it's a Myers that has a tear up. Zach, there are a few very few faces better than King Tyra. Oh, Tyra's beautiful. Not like my favorite season or anything. No one. I mean, I love Ginger. I love them all, to be honest. It's so hard to pick like an ultimate fave. I just love Jinx so much as a person, as a drag queen. It's not very frequent that I love the... Well, I guess it is very frequent that I love the person and the drag queen, but still. Oh. I'm suspicious. I'm so nervous. If I read chat, I know he's gonna show up. I mean, my fave will always be one of my friends, but they didn't go on Drag Race. Oh, well, that's different. We're talking about Drag Race girls. What is this? I think everything would be better in Jujubee. What about Queens versus the Universe? What is it? Queen of the Universe? That's what it is. That was like a crazy 360 that I didn't know I could even do. Damn it! Oh, thank you. I'm I'm obsessed with again, and I'm obsessed with Queens Who Watch. Excuse you, Sophia. What? Sophia! Somehow this is your fault. He probably saw me do that from like 6 miles away and was like, this idiot. Jada Essence motherfucking Hall. Love her. LaShawn Beyond. Fucking love her. Oh, he mad now. I'm so sad I couldn't get the head on him. It's all because Sophia did a fast vault. Oh my gosh! She was just gonna let me die like that. Oh my god, it was undying and devouring. Oh god. Sophia, come in front of the locker. Sorry if I'm yelling. Wow, you did go in front of the locker, but he said not today. Oh, you know why? It's because he wanted Devour to be counted. I wonder if he even got far enough away. So let's look for Devour. My favorite has always and will always be Jan, though. I just love her. That's perfect. Jan is wonderful. I love Jan. Like I said, I watch a lot of her TikToks. I really liked her. She was on All Stars, right? She did the thing. That one really, like, they were like cosplaying as pop stars or whatever. It was amazing. Oh, that's not it. I wonder if it's inside the smaller building. Is it over here? No. What? Oh my god, there was a totem in there, but it's not the one. The only other place I can think is like over here by these rocks. You know who I don't care for is Raven. I also don't really care for Willem, but that's just a personal preference. I think you could list some reasons not to like Raven. My reason would be, she's mean. She doesn't read, she's just mean. Anyways, not to start drama, ladies. Sophia, I don't know where it is. I got the totem that was up here. So obviously there's no other place. Like that's 1, 2, 3 totems I know of. Maybe it's in Shack? Ooh, I didn't even think about Shack. Moment of truth? Nope. Damn. Oh, Jessica fucking Wild. They never forget their EBT card on Taco Tuesday because they love Taco Tuesday. They always get guac. They love guacamole, and guac is extra. It's very expensive. So, no, I don't think she'd ever forget her ETB card. Ah! Sophia, I found it, and he doesn't like that. Oh! Goodbye, Sophia. I'm crawling basically right next to the totem. Right here. But I'm gonna crawl even farther. Sophia, I heard you tell me to go to the locker now a little late. Don't worry, he just didn't follow you in front of it. Oh, I love Ada Vox. I love Ada Vox. Can I also just say thank you all for hanging out, for being here, for being my friends, for vibing, for putting up with my terrible DBD play. Hashtag Sophia. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? He's looking in lockers on main building. Like, he really doesn't know where you are. What do? You can run around the map the other side and pick me up, or you can just let me bleed out, or you can just make friends with him. He obviously wants to Mori us all, so you could also just give him your booty. Because now he doesn't know where both of us are. What the hell? Does that say what I think it says?
Gay?
Gay. Or, Sophia, get this. You could goon. Jesus Christ. I can't believe you have an emote for that. That's so funny. He's at Shack now. Good luck, Sophia. I'm gonna crawl around this beautiful wood fire. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, I can do it this way. Sophia, no! It should have been me. Have you seen that TikTok where people are like, he's gooning him being RuPaul? Sophia, you're so silly. He has Devour Hope at 5 stacks. Did you hear me tell you where the totem was? I was like, it's right here where I got downed. And I also announced that he has Devour Hope. No one. Yeah, I was cracking up at that. I was like, y'all need to stop. How did gooning become so widespread? Like, it's like, think of, like, let's all take a societal moment right this momento to acknowledge that gooning is like in the zeitgeist. It's meta. People are talking about it. People are saying it. But in like, give it like a year or 2 years or something, and what do you call it? There will be anti-gooning ads. There will be just so much. They'll be like, it's bad for your health, it's bad for your brain, it's bad for your stuff.
Ladies.
Hi, Cozy, how are you? I hope you're doing well, my sweet. I'm just playing, you know, DBD with Sophia. She's being a hero. Zach, the straights heard about it, but forgot about the poppers. People are like, I goon with weed. I'm like, no, you smoke a lot of weed and probably waste it and masturbate. You're not gooning.
Ladies.
I hate that this came up. It's worse than saying Fort Nussy and having be like, what's Fort Nussy? I'm good, thank you, lovely. I'm doing wonderfully. These games have been so fun and so silly, so I'm enjoying myself. Did I just start a goon debate? Are we debating something? Well, let's start a debate. Should I make a poll? Do you need poppers for it to be a true goon? Or is it a fake goon? I'll let you ponder this while I go to the bathroom.
Ladies.
Welcome back to the Gooning Hour with the Witchling. Hi, hello. How are you? Please get your poppers ready. 3. Just kidding. Oh, that's awful. No one, you're so funny. Talking about gooning cannot be helping you and your sleeplessness. It must be exacerbating it. And so I am sorry. This this is wild. But also 5 a.m. I hope you don't have to be up soon or anything like that, like you have told me before. I can't. It's like, okay, everybody, type in chat what your favorite Poppers brand is. Please don't. Or do, I guess. It doesn't matter. They're only illegal because of homophobia. And they're not even made of the OG chemical anymore because that's literally dangerous. So they're made of a whatever similar thing, synthetic thing, what have you. I mean, what do you mean I don't research poppers? Ladies. It's the fucking dredge. When's the last time we've been against a dredge? But you know what's not gonna work? Is my shitty head-on plays. I'm right here in the locker. Oh, it worked! At first, I didn't think it worked. And then I realized that when the dredge gets stuns, he kind of turns into a... It's like... Okay. I was literally about to compare the dredge to like a foreskinned penis. Ooh! How did I get away with the bullshit? Ah! I do like the dredge. Oh, that was so close. Strawberry, a Jane after Sophia's heart. Oh, he's got Iron Grasp, which is why he's taking the chance to do this. Oh, he's definitely wiggled. Ah, they're gay. I love you. I hope you know that we're also gay and nobody's homophobic here. We love you. What was I saying about dredge? Oh, the only thing I don't like about the dredge is the darkness. I wish they would change it. It's really shitty for people who have sensory issues. It is like literally like you would see this kind of play style if I was on Death Hook. But like this is First Hook. It's so funny. I mean, it's not, it's I hope they're having fun with it because this is a bag of bullshit. Anyways, did any of you play the Lights Out event? Because that's what I wish the darkness would be. I wish it turned into like a smoky, really dense fog-filled map. Oh my god! Was that luck, or did he know I was there? Oh my goodness. I miss Lights Out so much. I wish they would bring it back. I mean, I'm excited for the randomizer. That's fine. but like, oh my gosh, how many times am I gonna wiggle out on this poor man? Where am I? This, like, this is awful. Actually, it kind of sounds like they've turned down the whining sounds, but it's still not very good. But couldn't you imagine the darkness of the dredges being the lights out darkness? I think that would be cool. Because it would still like obscure your vision of where you are, but it wouldn't be so, I don't know, debilitating. How did that hit me? We've gone from poppers to foreskin. This is going well. I think there's a Lightborn on our hands. That was so close. Also, I did read this, but I didn't read it. It's a lazy day for me, so I can take as many naps as you want. Good. Could you imagine if the dredge got a pride skin? Instead of like dark fog, he's made of rainbow. I don't know, fog, rainbow light, what have you. Ooh, a Gothita. I like Gothita. I almost did exclamation Gothita. Baldur. Bald door. Rainbow glitter, yes. Oh my god, that would be incredible. Somebody get DBD homosexual department on the phone. Oh god! What did I do? Oh, well, I'm an idiot. I thought he was behind me. It's not my fault. Oh my god. So if it's gonna be queer as queer can be, it's gonna be made of like prosthetics, it's gonna be made of breastplates, it's gonna be made of lube, it's gonna be made of I don't know, etc. Are they in chase? I can't tell. A unicorn head. Oh my god, yeah. It would be like, it could be like a piñata. Or just a unicorn head. That would be great. Like a rainbow. Or a unicorn with a rainbow horn. Do they have a Mori? Are we all done for? No one. Every Pride Month, they should release a Pride cosmetic. I agree. Like, it's nice that they've done the really gay charms. It's nice that they've done, or this year, it's been confirmed, they are going to do rainbow icons, Pride flag icons, etc. And probably banners, but what I really want is cosmetics.
Ladies.
Why are they so scared? Okay, being sneaky. Not the darkness. And we are fully only alive because this killer has allowed it. And I appreciate that. We love you, Dredgy. Zach, Bird Lady could shoot lubed twings. the just that concept as a whole is so fucking ridiculous. That's so funny. Ah! What did I do? I can't see. No one. Come on, behavior. Pick your game up, right? If you don't have a skin within, like, this Pride Month, you're a homophobic game, okay? Period. No! No! My plan! It's been foiled. I hate my life. I thought we had it. It's fully because I locked that locker. They were like, ooh, I'm gonna come out of this locker and stop this pallet shenanigans. And then they were like, oh, I'll go to this one. There's the hatch. Dredgy boy, be nice. We love it.
Ladies.
Ah, strawberry, hello. There we go. Oh, I forget about Visionary. Noed, oh god. Lightborn, I love it. Sophia, I was in shack and just slowly turned behind me. I know, I saw you at the pallet. I thought we had a whole setup. We had our blueprints. Everything was ready. If they teleport at all, they can see you in the locker. Is that true? Probably. That would make sense. That was so funny. It really was. Yeah. How else could it have gone if not in that witchling way? No one. Well, I'm gonna head off now because the tiredness has just randomly hit you. So yes, if the tiredness comes, you go with it. But have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being a wonderful person. Thanks for the goon. Sleep well. Have a good one.
Gay.
Talk to you Tuesday, or yeah, when I stream next. Milk, GG's, you did great. I tried to keep it fair. You really did. The way I was like, we are only alive because the dredge has allowed it to be so. Like, I appreciate you not killing me the 5 times that you could have. Oh my god, no one. Bye. Yes, I'm streaming on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, my dudes. But Milk, GG's, you were a fun dredge. I hope you were laughing at the beginning when we were swarming the hook and Flashlight Central and this and that, head on, this, that, the other thing. It was all just to be silly. And then if you saw me point at your hook, I was like, ooh, somebody else who's in the queer community. Point, point. Where's my balance landing? Milk, stay safe and healthy, and I was having so much fun. Have a great night on DVD. Thank you again for being wonderful and stopping in to say GG's. Good luck in your future matches, and I'm real glad you had fun. GG's, friend. Becky got back. Oh my god. I said back from where? No! Okay. Yeah. I know, I was just making a joke because I'm dumb like that. Oh yeah, I typed that to the person and they replied. Because in chat, they said, hey, babe. And I always forget that you don't have chat. So I'm like, obviously they're talking to Sophia. Like, duh. They're like, Mama Steve. Oh, hey, babe. Good luck, Sophia. Slap, slap. Oh, that's Becky, who's got back. Becky got back from where? Florida. What kind of a name is Florida? Florida. That's the name of a state. Florida. It's Clown. Sophia, I'm so slow tonight. My friend either mentioned something and I thought the subject got changed and it didn't. Earlier mentioned. Oh my god, I love it. Don't worry. It's Sunday night. You don't have to have a brain. Actually, it's probably recommended that you don't. Sundays aren't for having brains. Becky, you got back from being a jerk. How dare you point at me, being a sneaky legend. Ugh, I'm looking at Renato and I'm like, what's it like to not have love handles? Must be nice. Or maybe it's nice to have love handles and he'll never know. You're missing out, bitch.
Ladies. And sis, that's tea.
I hate when I ring hyperfocus without stakeout. But oh well. Also, keep your eye out for that, whatever it is. Did somebody say it was on every map? Just the family residence? Or is it just the estate? Oh, please don't bring him here. She knows I'm on this gen too because of Better Together. I mean, she's being chased. She obviously can't fully control where she gets to run. But still, what if he has Jolt? He might as well because I'm an idiot. He coming back. Oh my god. Sheila was so fast. I just, like, I know that there's, like, sprint burst and all these things that could make her so fast, but that just seemed so fast. That was so funny. Ooh, look at me hyper-focused on healing. Oh, never mind. Oh, you caught a Hitmonlee. That's legit. Puccia. Puccina. Puccina? Yeah. It's not an Enye. Or whatever. What are these things? Why is she trying the business with him? Becky got back. You don't have to be like this. She got the save!
Ladies.
Becky do got back. But now that means he's on me. If it would... see... That's where me and him are different. I go for the person who I was already holding. Oh my goodness. Not the basement. Gosh darn it. Away from the basement. Away from the basement. No way did you catch a Kabuto right after he caught a whatever it was called. I think it was Kabuto and Hitmonlee. Aren't they? Or am I confusing somebody? I'm confusing Hitmonlee and Hitmontop as like Kabuto and Kabutops. Sorry, Becky. I literally did not know she was in here. I'm sorry. Who got the save on her? Oh my goodness. Was that Jax? Uh-oh. Maybe I'm just not watching the game closely. Oh yeah, unicorn, but is she Becky with the good hair? That is the question. Because does it really matter if Becky got back if she doesn't have the good hair? Becky got back, but she got the shitty flat hair that just has no life. You see nothing! It's a bag of bullshit. Ooh. Ooh, I have balanced landing. Can I balance some kind of land? Yay! Ooh, the rubber banding fucked me up and him. He's coughing. I love it. The swarm. It's not gonna be enough. Oh, oh, it almost was because he missed you, Sophia. That's wild. The wiggling. Also, I missed a skill check that was as big as my house. Oh, I didn't see that she was downed. Maybe she didn't miss Sophia. She hit Becky 2 times. You want to see light, Zach? Ooh, okay. Oh God, she's on Becky with the good hair. That's just like her name now. That should be the people in the party's name. Is there's Becky got back, Becky with the good hair, Becky at the DMV. Like, come on. Sophia, I made him whiff 8 times. Now you should sync that up to I Need a Hero. That's funny. Feraligator? I've never heard of that. Is it a feral alligator? That's what it sounds like. What if he has spies from the shadows? You know, I could just be walking into several traps. Yeah. As long as he doesn't come over here. Which he probably will. Gosh darn it! You see nothing! Good luck getting the gen done, ladies. Light. Oh no, Mama Steve. There he is. I have a tickle in my throat. Peanut. Good boy. Yeah, Daddy loves you. Good boy. Thank you for being wonderful. Sorry, Sophia. Sophia, I hope you're not missing your little man. He's so tired. He's just devastatedly exhausted. He's had such a long day. So many meetings. I see him. Wow. She sees you. That's it. No love. No nothing. Sophia, first of all, this is gonna be my last game. And then, second of all, oh, what was I gonna say? Oh, are you the type of person who likes dogs who give kisses and licks on... It could be anywhere, but like specifically, like, are you a person who likes getting licks, kisses, doggy kisses in the face? If I get dog licks, I usually will break out in hives where I get licked. So I don't like when Light licks my face because it gets really itchy. But like, otherwise I'm not allergic to dogs. Very strange. It's just like their saliva. Well, Light respects my wishes. Y'all have seen he's very good at not licking me and not really actually licking my face. I think if anything, he licks my like chin beard area. And that time we made out. However, you don't allow it for too long. Gotcha. What was I gonna say? But other people, he will go and lick y'all and lick your face. So like if you came over and like hung out with Light, he would lick you all over. It's weird. I think Light is terrible with dog boundaries. Human boundaries, on the other hand, somehow, in some way, he really understands when humans have boundaries, whether it's like, don't lick me, or like, I'm done with you, or whatever. He's really good at it. And then he's really good at telling you when he's done, and he has boundaries, and he's like, stop petting me. And you can just like, he sends the message, you get the message, you stop, he is good. And it's like, my little man. So independent. So everything. Oh yeah. Stakeout, please. He's very good at communicating what he wants, needs. Completely. It's very impressive. But when it comes to other dogs, forget it. Out the window. He does not understand dog boundaries. Even if they try to reinforce those boundaries, he doesn't pick up on those cues. Wait, did I really do exclamation dance when I meant exclamation catch? Wow. Ooh, a cast form. I choose cast form, form of rain. Or is it like storm? I don't know. Good luck, Sophia. I was just thinking about light licks. Maybe because I was talking about them in real life. But I was like, I don't think anyone brought up light licks yesterday, so I'm like, people must have gotten a lot from my 7-hour stream. I'm rank number 6. Cool, cool. And that's just from watching. That's wild. Ooh, Sophia, you're hella up there. Number 3. What was that noise? Is it the unknown? Yes, it is. You saw nothing. Good. Distracted. Oh, distracted with Sophia. Does it seem like they have Lightborn? Zach should be number 2 unless he lost his points. I don't think he has, so yeah, he probably is. You can do exclamation light licks space at Zach Hoots. Because y'all are able to check each other's. No Lightborn? Cool, cool. Good to know. With my many flashlight related perks. Hi, Hattie. Number 2, we were right. Let's see, you're 117. No, 1,770,000. And he has 106. Ah! Oh, I thought that was the killer coming to grab me because honestly, that would happen. Oh wait, you don't have 1 million. You have 177,000. I saw an imaginary number and not a real imaginary number, just like a, you know, I created a number that was not there. You don't belong here. What if you just took the axe from him and just used that as a weapon? Who needs a flashlight when you have an axe? Unicorn, I'll take the million. No, no, no. You got it right. I was so sure. I was like, yeah, you have like pretty similar. No, never mind. You got 1 million. Like the way I corrected myself saying you had 1 million, and then I had to correct myself again, but I let it sit for like 5 minutes. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm done. Ooh. Now Zach's coming for your gig. An Obama snow. I love that. Is that Obamas now? Obamas now. Does that bother people? Where is he? Is he? No. Sophia, what are you doing to this poor man? Wait, how did this come back? Oh, it didn't. Gosh darn me! It's like I just don't register the skill check sound anymore. Damn it. Can I use Balance Landing anywhere? The whole chase, I forgot to look back at him. Oh, I'm exhausted. From what? He really did lose track of me. Sophia, I'm cracked, I'll say. You ran him for like 45 minutes. If it doesn't, it should. Honestly, it's like, it's almost a cursed pronunciation. I need healing. Thank yous. I also just want to put my crotch in Steve's crotch. Wait. Oopsies. I'll put my head in Steve's crotch. Not that that's any more,
And sis,
appropriate.
that's tea.
However. Get out of here. Ooh, what a nice light. That light does not fit in this map. What's with that? Well, I guess if you're gonna have a powered exit gate, having a light is not the worst thing. I almost missed that beauty. Oh god, what beauty. I just want to put my crotch in Steve's crotch. No! This is so good. Are y'all coming to this gate? It's 99. Whee! I'm sorry, unknown. I really am. There was some bullshit up in there. You were walking away and jumped back to your computer. You're so funny. Reese's only friends, huh? If they're just learning the unknown, it is tough. Thank you for the game, Sophia. It was so much fun. It was a continuation of last night's shenanigans. Like, come on, let's say goodbye. Come on, up. Up. Thank you. It's like looking around for stuff. Like, you don't bring anything up here with you. GG's, Sophia. Thank you for gaming with me and for being ridiculous and silly. Thank you all so much for hanging out and for being here. This was a really fun stream. So silly, so ridiculous. So much screaming, so much laughing. Unicorn, thank you for hanging out. Sophia, thank you for hanging out. Zach, thank you for hanging out. I know you went to bed, but no one. Thank you for hanging out. I do stream on Tuesday, but not tomorrow. So have a good Monday, and I shall see you Tuesday for more Witchling shenanigans. Night, everybody. Love you.
Ladies.